Hello,
Hello, may I speak to Stephen?
that's me.
Hi, Stephen. This is Quay calling for the maintenance department here. How are you?
Good.
That's good. So I'm just giving you this quick courtesy call here on a recorded line in reference to your 2022 XT6. We were
Right.
notified by the maintenance scheduler that the vehicle's due for an oil change and tire rotation, and there's also one open safety recall on the vehicle. So we were just giving you a courtesy call here to get your vehicle scheduled in for service.
Okay.
Did you have any knowledge at all of that recall?
Yeah, I had knowledge. Matter of fact, I called up Baker and told them about it, and they said you just give them a week to get the part, whatever, and when you're ready to change the oil, because I think I still got like about 1,000 miles before I have to change the oil, I think.
Yes, so you still so you're not quite at the mileage just yet, but that's not a problem. What I can do for you is I can go ahead and get you scheduled out. If you think you'll be at that mileage a month from now, we can
Yeah.
do so. Or if you think it'll be too much, just whenever you feel like you'll be there, we can go ahead and get you pre-booked. Appointments are just filling up pretty quickly here, so we're just giving this courtesy call so we can get you in for service.
Okay. I mean, yeah. I mean, I would say about 6 weeks from now would be
6 weeks.
after May 20th, because I'll be in New York. So coming back, so anything after that date.
Yes, absolutely. Now, are you more of a morning person or afternoon?
Morning.
Morning. Okay. So at this moment right here, what is the current mileage on the vehicle?
Like 21,000.
21. Okay. So 21,000. Alrighty. And when you bring the vehicle in for service, is that something that you're looking to drop off or wait with?
I'm going to wait with it this
Wait.
like a half hour or so.
Alrighty. No worries there. So just bear with me one moment here. I'm just going to check the scheduler here to see when the next available appointment will be. So next availability after May the 20th would be Monday, May the 22nd. That particular day I'd have an 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, and 11:30 morning appointment available for you.
I guess 9:30 because I'm like 40
9:30.
minutes away.
Okay. And just to verify, I'm sending that confirmation email over to the correct email. I have .com.
Correct.
Alrighty. So I do have you set in for service. Again, the check-in time for your vehicle is going to be Monday, May the 22nd at 9:30. Service advisor will be the first available once you arrive. You'll also receive that confirmation email with all of the appointment details. If anything changes between now and then, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to adjust the appointment for you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.